Mr. Bhanot, you must respond to this, and also figures that are being bandied about the 33 crore rupees. Hear me out, sir. 33 crore rupees, Mr. Bhanot, are apparently being spent only on the purchase of crockery. What are we going to do with this crockery once the games get over? 390 crores are being spent on the opening and the closing ceremony. This, sir, is a sheer waste of money. It indicates that the manner in which the games are being organized leaves a lot to be desired. This is not the best management India can afford. This is not the sort of image we want the world to see of us. The biggest fear, as Manishankar Iyer says, is that while the Bharat is coming in, the pardas will be put up. There will be bamboo poles all over the place. There will be black cloth to cover all the debris that's lying all across town, sir.
I don't think, Rahul, that situation will come when we have to hide the things. Everything will be ready. Most of the things are ready as far as the sports infrastructure is concerned. As I have mentioned to you, that organizing committee is fully ready.
But you keep saying this, sir. Mr. Bhanot, you keep saying with so much confidence that everything is ready. There's nothing which is ready. You're not allowing the media into the stadium. If you hadn't gone in, nobody would have known what the situation is, sir.
Rahul, we are interested with the job of conducting the games, and I am telling you on record that we are fully ready to conduct the games. Our venue operation teams who will conduct the games at the venue have already shifted and they have started working from the stadiums. So we are ready. We have conducted the test event. And
Mr. Vijay Goyal,
if somebody doesn't like the game, I can't help that. But as far as the money is concerned, we are only conducting the games and we are spending the money on that. As far as the sports infrastructure is concerned, it is best. It is the best and it is better than what the infrastructure was in other games. So it is a world standard infrastructure.
Mr. Vijay Goyal,
and how Delhi is going to change
the organizing
its shape,
committee
it is in front of everyone.
is at this time desperately sending a message saying support us. There's just a few days to go for the games. Don't slam us, support us. We need support from across the political spectrum. Do you believe that will be forthcoming, or do you believe their mistakes are so grave that these Commonwealth Games are simply going to go apart because there's nothing holding them together and we're not going to be ready on time? What's your sense of this, Mr. Goyal?
No, we are ready on time.
We are ready to give all type of supports, but they don't want anyone's supports. They organize all these games like a private limited company. It's not a Commonwealth Games. It's a common man loot in the tenders, in all the works. There is many misappropriations. I demand a CBI inquiry into it because they have not allowed any media into the stadiums. They spent the common man rupees amount like anything. आप ये समझ लीजिए कि उन्होंने जितना भी ये खर्चा किया है मनमाने ढंग से किया है. इतने महंगे नहीं हुए. जिस समय हम खेल लाए थे उस समय मैं स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर था. उस समय करीब 150 करोड़ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी ने मांगे थे. 238 करोड़ स्टेडियम्स के लिए थे. आज स्टेडियम्स पे ऑलरेडी इन्होंने 4000 करोड़ रुपया खर्च कर दिया है और वो स्टेडियम्स अभी तक बने और पूरे नहीं हैं. ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी की टिकट्स आप जानते हैं कितनी है? 1000 रुपए की, 5000 की, 25000 और 50000. आम आदमी उसको देख नहीं सकता. कोई स्टूडेंट्स को ये कंसेशन देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, ना ये खिलाड़ियों के लिए कोई कंसेशन दे रहे हैं. सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया जो इनका टिकट सेलर है उसके पास एक भी टिकट आज तक पहुंची नहीं है और सारे अरेंजमेंट जिनका ये दावा कर रहे हैं वो कोई पूरे आने वाले नहीं है. देश की प्रतिष्ठा दांव पे है. इन्होंने किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से कोई मदद मांगी नहीं है. मैंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को चिट्ठी लिखी है कि वो सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की मीटिंग मिलाकर उसमें ये रखें कि ये खेल संभव है भी कि नहीं है और इसमें कितना रुपया अब तक खर्च हुआ है उसकी जांच होनी चाहिए.
Well, this really is a matter of national prestige, and if this is the situation in stadiums that have been declared officially ready to stage games, I shudder to think what might happen. For the moment, Lalit Bhanot and his team are very confident that they will deliver the game. They're saying that Manishankar Iyer and people of his ilk are acting like Cassandras. They will be proven wrong. We don't know what will happen, but for the moment it seems that Mr. Iyer and the rest of the country have a lot to be worried about, and with very good reason. Mr. Lalit Bhanot, thank you very much for joining us. Manishankar Iyer and Vijay Goyal, for your perspective, thank you very much. This is the first time you're seeing images from inside the stadium. It really is a shocking story. And this is the state when the stadia have been declared ready. I wonder whether we'll be able to get these stadia in shape before the games.